Hi, everybody. I'm Christy Ramsey. I'm on the board of directors for Dress for Success Atlanta. We are highlighting women in the Atlanta area who are empowering other women. And here with me today is Alana Sulka, and she is the Chief Clinical Officer. Alana, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. I am very honored to be nominated and happy to share some information.
Great. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is that you do?
So for over 20 years, I've been in public health. I started my career at the federal level and then have been at the local level for almost 19 years, working in multiple different aspects of public health. In my current role as the Chief Clinical Officer for our health department, I really have the ability to utilize the experience and knowledge I've gained through those years of experience to really impact all of our public facing and clinical programs. And that includes all of our health department clinics, our disease control and epidemiology programs, and then all of our community health and chronic disease prevention programs as well. And then in addition to that, I've also been serving as the operations chief for all of our ongoing COVID-19 response, which has been going on now for about 2.5 years. Through that response, we've done testing and immunizations and disease control investigations. But we have, where we really worked diligently in our communities to develop great partnerships, our COVID response has allowed us to build greater and more partnerships with more depth within our community as we really work collaboratively to ensure prevention and control measures related to COVID-19 are in the forefront of everything we do. And from my perspective, and also others on our leadership team, while we've continued to build these amazing partnerships and feed into those relationships, we see that this will have a lasting impact on the health and protection of the folks in the communities that we serve. So it's been, while the COVID response has been definitely difficult throughout the years, we've seen some tremendous relationship development and partnership development come out of it.
Great. Thank you for sharing that. You were nominated as a woman who is empowering other women. Can you tell us also about what it is that you're doing in that arena?
So I would have to say teaching and mentoring is one of the favorite aspects of my role. I've been very fortunate to be blessed by amazing leadership that really values the importance of us giving back and pouring into others. And, you know, I'm able to do that through new employees coming on, through students, through interns and preceptorships. And, you know, I really feel that it's our role as professionals in whatever organization or career we're in to feed into that next generation of our workforce. We really want to be able to inspire, guide, teach, and mentor these individuals to help them understand the impact that they can make. So that's really been one of my favorite roles, and I've been able to do that throughout my career. I really love seeing those, I call them kind of light bulb moments when you see that somebody's truly identified, you know, how they fit into the big picture and they find their passion or how they can continue to grow in that. So as, you know, a woman growing in this career, I've been fortunate to be surrounded by many women leaders that have really instilled that, but also being able to bring in, you know, many nurses and public health professionals, and really in our workforce in public health, it's predominantly women that have been in that workforce. So it's provided ample opportunities to really pour into these individuals to let them know how they fit into the big picture and how their actions truly make a difference day in, day out with others' lives. So finding ways for students, staff, fellows, you know, interns and others, finding out how we can show them how essential they are in the big picture and the benefit that they provide is just kind of an awesome perk of what we get to do, or what I get to do in my role. You know, I always tell staff when I hire them and interns when, you know, I'm working with them on their projects, or even students that are coming in trying to figure out where they want to go in their career. At the end of the day, you want to be proud of the work that you've done, and you want to lay your head down on your pillow knowing that you've made a difference. And I know it sounds really idealistic, and some people scoff and laugh it off. And I tell them it's honestly true. But leading individuals to see that all of our actions have an impact is really important. And we want to ensure that the actions that impact our customers, and in my world, that's our clients and our community partners, that all of our actions impact those individuals in a positive way. And we really have the ability to do that no matter what the role is, no matter if you're in a leadership role, if you're in a clerical role, a clinical role, or, programmatic roles across our organization. Everybody has the ability to, pour into others and provide that, provide a little bit of that passion and guidance that they have for their day-to-day functionality, so that they can continue to make a difference.
Where does your passion to pour into others and lift up others, where does that come from?
As I said, I've really been blessed with some phenomenal leaders in my life. Our current leader in the health department is amazing, and she instills excellence in what we do and really has a heart for public service, which is what the type of organization we are. And we really want to ensure that everybody that we're bringing into our organization is has that public facing, that heart for serving the community, and making sure that the actions that we're doing really make an impact. Previous to her, again, I've been very blessed to just have tremendous leaders in my life that have shown me the impact that a true mentor and leader can have, and really have driven me to try to continue to better myself in that arena, so that I can be a resource and an asset to other people that are looking or really seeking that guidance for where they want to be in their lives and where they want to see their career. And then, I really foundationally, it comes from my mom. I was raised by a single mom. It was just my mom, my sister, and I. And she really instilled in both my sister and I that there was really nothing we couldn't accomplish if we put our mind to it. And she, continued to drive that in, and, really supported us in allowing us to, find what we truly enjoyed, find what we felt we were good at. And when we needed help and backup and support, she was always there to provide that. And I think, the work ethic that she instilled in us absolutely guides the way I function every day. It guides the way I lead my teams, and it guides, the day-to-day functionality that we work to carry out in the community. And I would really say that that's, a fundamental piece, or kind of a cornerstone of the leadership style that I've developed throughout the years. We want to work hard and make a difference. And in doing that, it just continues to provide that positive feedback, because then you see the impact or the fruits of your labor, and you see, the impact you're making on the other side of whatever your activity is. And it just kind of continues to drive that desire to want to do more.
Well, thank you for taking the time to share a little bit about yourself and what you're doing with us today. We really appreciate it, and all the ways that you are giving back. To learn more about Dress for Success Atlanta and other women who are empowering other women, you can go to atlanta.dressforsuccess.org.